So if your skin is easily irritated or just super sensitive, this moisturizer is a really good game changer for you. This is sensitive, and it's one of my go-to products for calming and hydrating my skin. What makes it so great is the simple yet effective formula. It's packed with prebiotic, water, ceramides, and glycerin, all which help strengthen your skin barrier, which is really important, and it helps lock in moisture without clogging the pores. It's fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and made specially for sensitive skin, so it's gentle enough to use every single day. And the texture is lightweight, but it's still really nourishing. It sinks into your skin quickly, it doesn't feel greasy, and it works beautifully under makeup or sunscreen. I love how soft, soothed, and balanced my skin feels after using it. I usually use it on my face, but I'm showing it here to you. But even with the weather that's coming or over-exfoliating, it just helps it. So if you want a simple moisturizer that hydrates, calms, and supports sensitive skin, this is absolutely one worth trying.